Hello, in front of me I've got Lenovo TAB M8 and Samsung Smart TV. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi, and then on your tab enter YouTube app. Press the screencast button located on the top of the screen and select your TV. Now, when both devices are connected to each other, you can play any music you want on your tab and it will be displayed on the TV. If you want to stop the connection, again press this button and select disconnect. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.